Let's read together. Here are the reading workshop words for List A. Come back each day to practice reading your words. Let's get started. Look, listen, then read. I'll read the word and you repeat after me. The, I, to, a, is, my, go, me, like, on, in, so, we, it, and, up, at, see, he, do, you, an, can, no, am. Great work! Be sure to keep practicing each day to become a fluent reader. Also, don't forget to check out my You Read video and my Sight Word Challenge for List A. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more like it. See you next time!